Sheltered by mature street trees next to the property, the old residence remains a rare sanctuary within the dense urban jungle. However, this natural advantage also concealed a problem. Due to the constant shade cast by the trees, parts of the garden suffered from a lack of sunlight, resulting in sparse vegetation and difficulty in plant growth. Additionally, the home's original layout, with only a single entry point, posed a functional limitation. Visitors had to pass through the elder residents' private living area, disrupting their daily routine. For this reason, reconfiguring the circulation system became a central focus of the renovation of the New Journey residence, led by Wei Yi International Design Associates. In the new circulation plan, two separate entryways were created. One preserves the familiar path for the elder resident, while the other serves as a dedicated entrance for guests. A moderately scaled structural wall was introduced into the original garden, subtly dividing the landscape and creating a more private garden view from the interior. The new pathway to the guest entrance was strategically positioned in the area previously affected by low sunlight, resolving the vegetation issue and reactivating an underused part of the garden. This reconfiguration also ensures that guest access no longer interferes with the residents' private space. The new entrance leads to a redesigned reception area, which previously served as a storage room disconnected from the rest of the house. With thoughtful planning, this space now functions as a semi-independent social area, clearly defining public and private zones, while allowing a connection between them when needed. Inside the main living area, a non-removable T-shaped structural beam once created a sense of spatial compression. To address this, additional beams were introduced to form a grid pattern reminiscent of the Chinese character for field. Within the structure, a sloped ceiling was inserted, evoking the silhouette of a traditional gable roof. This intervention not only lifted the perceived ceiling height, but also became a key visual feature of the space. With the elder as the primary resident, the color palette was intentionally muted and warm, using soft gray tones from Belgian imported paints. The sloped ceiling was finished in reclaimed cypress wood, subtly evoking the residents' childhood memories of life in a former military dependence village.